This is Playmate, and this is Pen Pal. And you might be wondering, Interval, why are these two important to this video? You'll see in a second, my friend. You see, Playmate is from this Minecraft mod I really like. The objective is simple. You either find Playmate before the timer ends, or Playmate finds you. And I thought it would be cool to recreate it in Roblox, so today I'll be making a Roblox horror game themed around hide and seek. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and without further rambling, here's the whole process. So, I'm just going to illustrate this as the, monster, I guess. So this is our monster. It's just going to look like this. It's not going to be fully black just like Playmate, it's going to be like a white color. And then these are going to be our players. So what I have so far is whenever the round starts, the player will have either have 2 minutes to try and find Pen Pal, which is what I'm going to call our monster. So this is Pen Pal, and once again, players will have 2 minutes to find Pen Pal. If they fail to do so, the same thing will happen. They'll get jump scared. But it won't happen it'll just have an instant jump scare, like Pen Pal won't chase them. And then, as for hiding, players will have a minute to hide, just like in the Playmate mod. So how the AI is going to work, I kind of want Pen Pal to see, like, do they, can they see the player? And if they can, then I'll probably just chase him down and kill him. So what I have in mind for, like, a list, I want to make, like, a list of alive players that Pen Pal will go after. And once that table is empty, the game will be determined as a loss, and then nothing happens, like, there's no reward. So I'm pretty sure I have everything in mind for what I want to do and how I want the AI to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Roblox Studio to show the current progress I have. So it starts off like this. So we're getting Pen Pal, we're waiting 5 seconds, and we're just cloning him into the workspace, which basically Pen Pal handles all of the game logic, as you can see here. So right now, I have one-on-one for the you should hide variable because I'm testing the hiding side of things right now. So, judging from everything, it does work fine. And as you heard that the little voice thing. That is a placeholder. I am going to make custom voice lines for this again, and I do have a little highlight here to show where Pen Pal is. That way I can debug the game more efficiently, just in case there's like any kind of bugs that might potentially happen. So it is going to be kind of difficult because I am using the default suburb map, and it is difficult to open these doors, so it's going to take a lot of time to try and find Pen Pal. But I do plan on adding different purchasables to make it a little bit easier and not entirely impossible. So I found Pen Pal the second time, and now he's over at the gas station, inside the gas station. I'm gonna get this flashlight so it's easier to see. And can we make it before the timer ends? We most likely can. And yeah, we made it. So we can go in and hit E. And we won.
You win. Let's play again someday.
So basically, nothing happens when Pen Pal despawns. Like, it doesn't turn into daytime, and there's like no intermission. So it's basically a one-time round, and that's basically it. We're gonna go ahead and implement that really quick. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new Boolean value inside of replicated storage, and I'm going to call this in progress. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set replicate storage. I'm going to get the replicated storage, and I'm going to get the in progress value. I'm going to set that to true, and then I'm going to put this in a while. I'm going to make a new while loop here, and I'm going to I'm going to move everything inside of the while loop, and we're going to repeat task.wait until in progress, or no, game.replicated storage in progress value is false. So basically, this is just going to wait until that is unchecked, and then it's going to do this cycle again. I'm just gonna move this down here as well. So now we have a basic looping mechanic. That way the gameplay has a loop. Now I'm gonna go into the pen pal script, and I'm going to go down to the very bottom here. I'm gonna write let's get the replicated storage service and the in progress variable or value, and let's set that to false. And now we should have a very simple looping gameplay. And I'm basically going to set the seeking time to 5, that way we can quickly see this. So 3, 2, 1, and we lost. So I do want pen pal to hear different sounds. Let's say this is pen pal, this tall looking stick figure. And let's say this green thing is our player. Okay, that's actually pretty hard to see. I'm going to draw another stick figure, this time a little smaller to illustrate the player. So what we want to do is, instead of like picking up the player walking or whatever, what we can do instead is, we can add that too, but I want to make this even more fun. So I do plan on adding voice chat support. So whenever the player speaks, pen pal will hear that, and he will, he will go after the player. If I can, so, and then, yeah, he'll go after the player. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make another for loop. I think it's time seek. Okay, time hide. Okay, time hide 0 and -1 and -1. So I'm gonna take the same for loop code that I use for the seeking. Actually, I should clone this entire thread and just paste it. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna reprogram this entire thread. Actually, I should probably keep it like this. I don't know if it'll. Okay, I should replace this. And what I should do is I'm going to create a table of all the alive players. So local alive players equals game.players get. Actually, I'm gonna make a blank table, and I'm gonna loop through every single player inside the game, And I'm going to insert this player into the alive players table. And I need to make a hitbox. That way I can kill them. Okay, actually, alright, I need to program a pen pal's standard module for the whole jump scare thing. I'm gonna add a new function. I'm gonna clone everything. And I'm going to rename this to specific. So this is going to run for a specific player. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the player, see if they exist. Actually, we can just throw this in. Okay. And I'm going to replace this with Fire Client, and we can just pass in. And we can get the player's character. And then we can get the humanoid, have a set of character. And if it exists, we can just kill them. So now we've got that out of the way, we can go ahead and start programming the AI. So, okay, I kind of got an idea on how I want this to work. So I'm going to use the same kind of method that I used to, you know, handle like the thing. So we got repeat until time. Okay, so repeat. I'm gonna make a new repeat loop until time up equals true. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the pathfinding service. And then I'm going to make a remote function which gets the move direction of the player. So local move direction equals and get move direction invoke clients. Okay, I need to take some time to figure out how this is going to work. So for underscore comma player in alive players do local move direction equals game dot replicate stores dot get move direction invoke clients. And if move direction is greater than 0, then target equals player. If target, then okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new variable called targets. And we're going to make a path finding service, create path. Oh, I haven't used pathfinding service in a long time, so bear with me. I'm going to look at the documentation. So let's see, creates a path object based on various agent parameters. Valid keys and values in the agent parameters table are as follows: agent radius, agent height, agent can jump, agent can climb. So I do think, okay, let's take a look around the map for a second. see if I can find anything climbable. Okay, I don't see anything. Mainly because it's so dark, but just in case, I'll probably create paths, value to true. Okay, so I'm gonna say agent can jump to true. Also the same thing to agent can climb. We're gonna compute the path. So path compute async. And this is gonna start at the root part position. And whatever the target's root is at. And then waypoints. We're gonna get the waypoints. Path get waypoints. And I should probably put this in a table. For underscore comma waypoint in waypoints do if waypoint dot action equals enum dot path waypoint action dot jump, then I forgot I don't have the humanoid defined. Hold on, I gotta define it. Click. Compal.model.humanoid. So we're gonna change penpal's humanoid state to enum.humanoid state type dot jumping. Okay, wait, what valid actions do we have? Pathway point action dot jump, custom, and walk. Okay, so I was thinking we would have a climbing one for some reason, but looks like we don't. So I want to walk penpal to that waypoint, so let's see here. Humanoid, move to, and then waypoint dot position. And then we're just gonna wait till the move to is finished. And for testing purposes, I'm just gonna immediately set the target to whoever the player is. And if not target, then we're just gonna break out this for group and stop pathfinding. So we're gonna increase this again. I'm gonna increase this to 10. That way you can make the chances of being hiders more likely. I don't know how to word it. So that looks good. I'm still unsure about how this code is going to work though. I'm just gonna space everything out here. I mean, yeah, it looks like everything's going to work, so I suppose we give it a try.
I'm looking for you. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to look for it.
Okay, and he's not pathfinding. Invalid argument number 1 to insert table expected to got instance. Oh, okay. I put it in the wrong order. So it's alive players and then player. That should do the trick.
I'm looking for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it.
Yep. Yeah, he's chasing us. That's perfect. Okay, Pen Pal's pathfinding kind of pushed out for a bit. But yeah, look at that. He's starting to chase us, which is really good. But I did notice that his pathfinding is kind of laggy. I don't know how to fix that. Actually, I think I might have an idea. Yeah, alright. I have an idea to fix the little pathfinding problem. So what I can do, I'm just gonna scroll up to the top of the script. I'm just gonna write penpal.model set network owner. Actually, .humanoid root part set network owner. And I'm gonna just set that to now. That way it ain't so, you know, jittery. I don't know if setting the network ownership exactly fixes the issue, but it's kind of worth a shot. So I'm gonna turn off debugging really quick. And let's see.
I'm looking for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it.
Okay, so what I should do, I should do the whole, I should stop this when time is up. So if not target or time up is equal to true, then we're just gonna break out of this while this for loop. So we're gonna play the game over sound. So workspace.global sound.game over play, and if the number of alive players is greater than 0, then I want to play workspace dot. Oh, I forgot something. Workspace.global sounds.game over.ended waits, and we're gonna wait for like 1 second. And then workspace.global sounds.win play. And workspace.global. No, not right now. Workspace.global sounds.win.ended wait, and we're gonna gonna wait for 1 second, and then we're just gonna copy and paste this code. Workspace dot actually penpal.model.head dot. I think it's that was fun. No, workspace dot global sounds dot that was fun. And the same thing here. And let's see, what else do I got? Oh yeah, that's right, the timer. I forgot about that. I'm gonna enable it. And then once the round ends, we'll hide the timer. And that should do the trick.
I'm looking for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it.
So we got 1 minute. I have no idea why Pen Pal decided to walk into the stop sign. We only got 10 seconds left. And after the 10 seconds, Pen Pal should stop moving.
Game over. You win. That was fun. Let's play again someday.
Okay, we got the whole AI.
I'm looking for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so yeah, we got the, so now we got the AI programmed. We gotta figure out how the killing is going to work. Or whenever all the players die. Alright, let's look at what I did for this for loop here. Okay, so what I should do, if number of alive players is less than 1, then we're just gonna break out of this for loop. And we're not gonna put a return statement under this, since that basically counts as a time up. So we're gonna leave that. And then if number of alive players is, or else we can just copy this on a code. And then we just change everything to lose. And then found you. And maybe we should put this here as well, just in case. You know, never know what happens. So what we can do now, I'm gonna go ahead and get the player's character model inside of here. And then, what we can do, we can get their humanoid. Then humanoid died once. We're gonna have this run once. So basically, this is going to run once when the humanoid dies, and then it's going to disconnect itself. Which is from my experiences of this. So, table.remove, table.find. Wait, actually, alive players, and then table.find. Alive players, and then we just put in the player that died. So we're gonna give that a test and see if it works.
I'm looking for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it.
And he's gonna start chasing us, and if we die.
Game over. You lose. I found you.
And that's basically the loop of the game, I guess. Or when we die, we should probably add a jump scare. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that function I made earlier. So penpal.jumpscare specific, and this is going to be for the player that died. And I'm just going to review the standard module, make sure everything's correct. Jumpscare specific. Okay, this is playing specifically for... I want this jumpscare sound to specifically play for the player only. So I'm gonna move this function to the jumpscare players. The jumpscare players folder. Thing, client side, whatever. And we'll give this a test and see if it works.
I'm looking for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it.
And if we die,
You lose. I found you.
and that's pretty much the gist of it. Now we gotta make a hitbox. That way Pen Pal can actually kill people. So I'm gonna put Pen Pal's rig inside of the workspace so we can see what we're doing here. And you know what? I should probably put a smile. I should probably put a face on Pen Pal here before I do anything else. Oh, maybe it's classic smile. Yep. That should do the trick just fine. So now that we got that out of the way, we can go ahead and program the hitbox. So what we can do is I'm going to look for the lighting service. That way I can make it bright and see everything. So I'm going to set the clock time to 15 sounds good. And I'll have to duplicate Pen Pal's root part here. gonna rename it to Hitbox. And I'm gonna make it really red, set the transparency to 0.5. And now I just gotta... Okay, gotta make sure that's touching the ground. So basically, I'm gonna cover pen pal with this hitbox. Make it a little bit of fun. And maybe extend it outwards like that. And then we can add a weld constraint and weld the hitbox to the root. And that should do just fine. And I'm just going to turn collisions off on the hitbox, and I'm going to make... Oh wait, it's already massless. Okay. So, with that in mind, we should be able to walk through the hitbox. Well, alright, yeah. But, yeah, I can walk through. I can walk. Okay, so we got the hitbox in. I just gotta program it. That's gonna be fun. So, with that, let's go down to this here, and I'm gonna make a connection. C-touch equals script. Wait, no. penpal.model.hitbox.touched. Connect that up to a function. And we're going to set hit as the argument. So local character, I'm going to just check if it's a valid character, and if it is, character.humanoid. Player. Yes, that's what I meant to change it to. So player. Alright, hit.parent.humanoid.health. And we're trying to set that to 0. And then we're gonna go down to here, and we can just disconnect the thing. So C-touch disconnect. And we can just put pen pal back into server storage. And we can test our hitbox. Gonna move away. Make sure you keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it. You should be able to kill. So we let him kill me. And yeah, that actually works out. So, okay, now I gotta program the special part of everything. And that is the audio detection. So I'm just going to hide where is it? Where's the transparency property? There it is. I'm going to set that to 1, make sure it's completely transparent. Now, actually, we won't need to go in there, I think. So, I'm going to go into my game settings, and I'm going to go down to communication, and I'm going to turn on the microphone, and I'm going to go down to sound service. Actually, no, it's not sound service, sorry. I'm going to go to service, voice chat service, and we can go down to that. Use audio API, I'm going to set that to enable, and I'm going to publish that. So if we go ahead and go in the game now, we should have an audio listener and an audio device output inside of our camera.
I'm looking for you.
It's amazing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it.
Alright, so it's ticking. That little timer's ticking down. Yeah, I have to implement the thing, whatever it is. So, I'm gonna look for... Okay, what I need is an audio analyzer. I gotta look at the documentation real quick. It takes measurements from audio streams that are wired into it with a wire. It provides a single input pin, but does not produce any output streams. Note that all audio processing is disabled on the server in order to conserve resources. Oh, so it's all client-sided. Okay. Properties and methods of the audio analyzer will return empty or 0 results when used from server scripts. So I have to use a client script. Alright. So I know you'll need an audio device input for this, so I'm gonna see if I have an audio device input on my player.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12.
So we can go down, I can look for my local script. And what I can do is I can, I'm gonna make a new variable. I'm gonna call this player. Game of players local player, and then we can get the audio device input equals player find first child of class audio device input, and if there is an audio device input, then we can just continue on. So local audio analyzer equals local audio analyzer, and we can just define it here. So audio analyzer equals instance.new audio analyzer, and I'm going to put that in the audio device input. So we're going to go ahead and play test and see if it will appear. Player, my player, audio device input, and audio analyzer. Alright. So now what we can do is I'm going to make a wire, so local wire equals instance.new, and this is going to be a wire object, wire.parent equals audio device input, wire.source instance equals audio device input, and wire.target instance is going to be the audio analyzer. And we'll see if that works out. So players, going to my local player, input, and yup, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. I'm going to look for it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let me get run service really quick. and run service.heartbeat. I'm going to print audio analyzer.rms level. And we'll see if that does anything. So we got 0. And there we go, we got like different, we have different little like levels, which is pretty cool. I'm going to look for it. Alright, so yeah, now it's at a much lower pace. So yeah, we got all these bunch of mumbo jumbo numbers. Which is pretty interesting. We gotta figure out how that is going to work. So I'm gonna duplicate this remote function and I'm gonna call this get microphone level, and I'm gonna go to my little client script here, and then duplicate storage dot get microphone level on client invoke function, and we're just gonna return audio analyzer dot rms level. And that should be it. So I'm gonna get another thing here. Alright. So local character equals player.character or player.character added weight, and we're gonna get the humanoid. And if the humanoid exists, then we're just going to return humanoid.moveDirection.magnitude. And we can go to our pen pal server script and we can just add these little things in here. Okay, so we're going to make sure that this works. So whenever a player moves... Okay, so pen pal's hiding. We're going to wait. So we don't move. Pen pal's just gonna stand still, but if we move, yep, and he starts moving. And he kills us. So I just realized there's a bit of a bug. What I can do is if target is equals square, then we can just clear the target once they're dead. And that's pretty much it that I'm gonna add for now. I might add more stuff soon and polish the AI. I don't know if I will, because I'm not advanced with pathfinding yet. I hope so. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this little showcase here. If you guys enjoyed it, like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, gang.